Welcome to video 8 on the creation of the Twin Woods and Bedford Model Railway. The table has been finished. Nico has been working hard on the woodwork and, well, it's done. All that's left now to do is to place a little bit of cork here and there as the underlay. And one of the interesting pieces of work has been this bridge here at the door entrance of the room, and over here there are two hinges, and over there there's a simple sliding lock, and this is how it can be easily put down. These are the hinges here, and this is the sliding lock over there, and it works perfectly fine. Well, we have to try it out with rails on, of course, but mechanically it's doing its job very nice. The bridge actually is part of the ramp that runs from Luton to Wellingborough, so it itself is on an inclination already. The ramp has a good length, which means that the inclination is about 2%, which is perfect for trains to run smoothly. At the other side of the aisle we see the other ramp, the one that runs around station Bletchley, or around, rather under it. It looks like this. It has a tighter or a higher inclination. It's a 3% ramp, still acceptable for trains to run smoothly. And Bletchley station is over, stretching over this ramp, which means at both ends we'll have a tunnel entry and exit. At this side it is going to look something like this. Well, it's not sure if it can be 3 bows because the track is a little bit close together at this end, so maybe we may need to make it a wider tunnel entry. And at the other side there's also a tunnel entry and exit to station Twin Woods. Well, that means the whole upper table from Bletchley via Bedford to Wellingborough is finished, and then we get the ramp down to Luton. A bit cork here and there, and then we can start working on the track, and the first part is already being tried out. We are still struggling a bit with the choice to make for a second underlay, so more news about that probably in a later video. I hope to see you back soon, and in the meantime, have fun.